so true, Corey. You know that saying, ask and you shall receive. The donations came in. And the principal's hoping for one refrigerator. After the story, our viewers gave 2 refrigerators and a freezer to the school. We went today just to check on things. You know, we always go back. Danielle Darbee, the principal of the Brooklyn Academy of Global Finance, says since our story, donations have been pouring in. The Hispanic Society, the Department of Corrections, and Total Transportation Corp are watching. They delivered a freezer and lots of food, and Public Advocates Jamani Williams' mom also donated a refrigerator. So now the mission is to fill these fridges with food. Look at this pantry. Now you have like a refrigerator and a freezer.
Yes.
My goodness, look at this.
So this is one of the refrigerators.
But it's empty. Oh no.
Yes, we're having difficulty with the getting cold food now, fruits and vegetables.